Welcome. We are waiting for the next major Windows update. But will it be Windows 12? Yes, rumors are circulating about this image being a leaked preview of Windows 12. Although it hasn't received official confirmation, the upcoming update is codenamed Next Valley. Now let's see what our upcoming features are. We will get the ability to add widgets to our desktop. As confirmed by this Twitter post, there is also a possibility of getting a floating Taskbar. As evidence, installing rounded TV from the Microsoft Store in Windows 11 is no longer possible. As newer laptops are equipped with a new Copilot button, it's evidence that our Copilot AI will be capable of performing many more tasks. Your known world will be soon unknown to everybody. We will have the ability to install more Windows system apps, such as Microsoft Edge, without the need for control panel. However, the question arises, why do you want to do that when it offers numerous features? For example, this one. Also, we will get more Android apps in the Microsoft Store. Improved gaming performance and a more optimized operating system ever. More Windows app features with AI and enhanced security. Stay tuned for the updates.